Hey there, Sharon Peterson here with simplycanning.com. I have another canning chat video for you. This letter I received is from Trudy, who lives in Washington. She asks, I want to know if you can can the little round potatoes that come in several colors. Thanks in advance. I know when I have been at the grocery store, I do see sometimes there's bags of the really small potatoes and they have a variety of different colors, and those are really nice for roasting and things like that, having them with a roast. Or with, a chicken as a side dish. But I don't recommend them for canning simply because, number one, you do have to peel your potatoes in order to can them. So you can't just pop those in a jar, process it, and then the jar looks cute with all the different colors in there. It doesn't work that way. You're gonna have to peel them, and so the color of the potato really doesn't really matter. You're not gonna see it anyway. Plus, little bitty potatoes like that are really a pain in the neck to peel. So save those for roasting and go ahead and buy the regular big size potatoes, which are much easier to peel, and you're gonna have way better luck. There are types of potatoes that are better for canning. Some that you can, they're all safe, but some of them are gonna be a lot more starchy, and so they're not gonna can very nicely. You're gonna get a lot of starch in the water. Be sure and check out the Canning Potatoes article, because I do list in there the different types of potatoes, what's good for canning and what's good for baking and things like that. I hope this was helpful. Try not to peel little bitty potatoes because I don't have the time for that. So you guys have a great day. Be sure and visit me at simplycanning.com. I'll put links to the canning potatoes in the article below. You guys have a great day. We'll talk to you next time. Bye.